we're back. So what's underneath that, what you're prying out? What is that?
What's this?
Yeah.
The regular old floorboards with some kind of paper backing on top of it.
Okay. You're using your new cat's paw?
A new cat's paw that you bought me. My sweetheart bought me a new tool. Tools are always fun.
Well, we had to replace his old one that somehow walked away when people were here working on things. We're not quite sure, but had to be replaced. Hopefully this one will do as good a job or better. We tried to find replacement flooring that maybe he could cut this out and then he would put in new wood that would kind of match. And we went to all of the salvage,
Architectural salvage.
architectural salvage places, and they had so many different kinds, but not this kind. And then we decided, okay, that's not gonna work. We're not gonna be able to match it, which would look silly. So part of it had been cut out for an old register, right?
Yep.
So we decided, well, let's just get a register. We'll just get a bigger one and just replace that section. And it'll kind of look like their air handling, air return, whatever that we have here. It's covered up because the refrigerator's in here right now. But so it'll look like that, but it won't be open. It'll be covered and then that up, and so it'll look cool. We found this. Where did we get this register? This was in Franklin.
I think so. I honestly don't know.
Yeah, I think we got it there, and it's original for this time period. So we found that. It was a mess, rusty, gross, and whatever. So I cleaned it up and then spray painted it, and it's good to go. So it should look really nice there. That's the plan. So is this looking like you thought it would?
Yep. It's doing exactly what it should do.
And we don't know, just probably some kind of leak from the roof or something that caused all this flooring to be rotted, or?
Well, there was some kind of water damage at some point in time. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know what from.
A lot of things can go wrong in 120 years.
Where'd my hammer go? Oh, screwdriver. Where'd my
Oh,
hammer
right
go?
behind you. There it is. Okay, so he's gonna keep working, and then we'll come back once he gets this all cleaned out, and then kind of show you what he's gonna do next.